Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Afghani chicken, a delicious and creamy chicken dish best to enjoy with naan, roti or even with zeera rice. So friends, let's get started with the making of this amazing chicken recipe. So first we'll make the spicy and flavorful green chutney. For that I have taken here half cup of coriander leaves. Next goes 8 garlic pods. 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portions, 3 green chillies or as per your spice level. Next I will slice 1 medium onion into 4 portions like this. Then here I have taken 10 cashews soaked in warm water. We'll add some water and now we'll grind this into a fine paste. Let's check this once. And our spicy green chutney is ready. Next take a bowl and into it goes 1 cup of curd or dahi. To this we will add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream or malai. Then goes the spicy green chutney which we had prepared. We will gently mix this once before adding the remaining ingredients. Into this now goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. Around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Now we will mix this well so that the seasonings or masalas are well combined. And this is going to be the base of our gravy. This is done and now we will add the chicken pieces. I'm adding here around 600 grams of chicken with bones. We will now coat the chicken well with this flavorful and creamy base and we'll let them marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. So it's almost 3 hours the chicken has been marinating. Next we will heat a wide pan and into this we will add a small cube of butter along with 1 tablespoon of refined oil. We'll spread the butter and oil on all the sides of the pan. We will now take out the chicken pieces coated with the creamy marination batter and add them in the pan one by one. And on medium flame we will fry them till they turn deep golden brown from both the sides. After about 2 to 3 minutes we will flip the chicken pieces one by one. You may add a little butter if required in between. We'll keep on flipping the chicken pieces in between until we get the desired color on both the sides. And by now the chicken pieces are well fried, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now time to prepare the gravy. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of the same oil where I had fried the chicken. This should be enough as our gravy base is already rich and creamy. And now we will add the flavorful and creamy marination base. And on medium flame we will saute this well for at least 2 minutes. And once the gravy thickens slightly, we will add the fried chicken pieces into this and coat them well with the gravy. I'll add now a splash of water to rinse off the marination bowl. And we'll mix the chicken pieces well with the gravy. And now we will cover and let the chicken cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will remove the lid. By now, the gravy has thickened and the chicken is also well cooked. I'll add now 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste and half teaspoon of crushed kasoori methi leaves. We'll give this a mix. Well, as you can see, this chicken recipe doesn't need much spices to make the gravy and turns out so very rich and flavorful, and is also quick and easy to make. We'll now allow the chicken pieces to simmer in the gravy for just 2 minutes. And before turning off the flame, we will garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Our creamy Afghani chicken is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious and creamy Afghani chicken, which you can enjoy with naan, roti, or even with jeera rice. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and do subscribe my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.